My Raspberry Pi 5 is buried down there. I wanted to show it, instead of just showing a bare card, I wanted to kind of show it as I'm using it. This is a Pironman 5 Max case, and I'm setting everything up for AI. So I'm building everything out now, and it's in testing, and so far it's working great. I really love the 5.